Yo, I'm Mnemonic. Yes, you can use MIDI controllers with BandLab. I'm gonna show you that so you can make more music. Alright my friend, check it out. The awesome people at BandLab have made it very simple to use a MIDI controller while you're making music with BandLab. In the web version, when you first plug in your MIDI controller, you want to make sure that a notification pops up on the screen. Alright, now we're cooking. Almost. The next thing you need to do is click Instrument down at the bottom left and choose the appropriate MIDI interface so BandLab knows what is controlling the track you have selected. Now that you have your MIDI device selected, you should be able to play some sounds. Fantastic. Now, what if we want to play drums on a different device? Simply click on the track that you want, open up the Instrument tab, and choose the appropriate MIDI device. For me, it's my new Novation Launchpad X. Awesome. Now let's check out connecting MIDI devices to the BandLab mobile app. Okay, starting at the Mix Editor, access the Settings page by clicking the gear up at the top, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom till you see Connected MIDI Devices. Depending upon what devices you have, you may need an adapter for this next step. Go ahead and plug it in, and wait for any confirmation. That was quick. So we got a notification on the screen, Launchpad X is now connected. The connected MIDI devices now says Launchpad X, and I got some lights at the bottom. So we should, in theory, be able to play some sounds. Alright, there you have it. Hit that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below any questions you have. Subscribe for more BandLab tutorials and some music making adventures I have planned for the future. And lastly, go make more music. If you are watching this before the end of January 2020, there may still be time to enter my giveaway. BandLab has teamed up with me, which I'm extremely grateful for, to help you make more music. I've said it once, I'll say it again. I'm giving away 5 audio interfaces, 1 Link Digital, 2 Link Digital Duos, the 2 channel, and then 2 Link Analog Minis. They're all great audio interfaces, whether you're just getting started or a seasoned music maker. The link is in the description.